If you've ever spent 20 minutes scrolling through a giant PDF trying to find one single definition, you already know the pain. You remember the professor mentioned it, you know it's in your notes somewhere, but now you're stuck flipping through 87 pages of scanned lectures. That's not studying, that is digital chaos. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn messy lecture notes, whether they're scanned pages, handwritten notes or image-based PDFs, into fully searchable, organised study material using PDFelement. And once you do this, you'll never go back. Here's what's actually happening. Most lecture notes fall into one of these categories: scanned PDFs that are just images, photos of handwritten notes, or downloaded lecture slides that aren't searchable, or giant combined files with zero organisation. And when a PDF is just an image, your computer can't read the text. That means you can't search keywords, you can't copy definitions, you can't highlight properly, and you waste hours reviewing inefficiently. If you're in college, grad school, law school, med school, or even studying for certifications, this adds up pretty quick. So step 1 is turning those static files into something intelligent. First, open PDFelement. Now drag in your lecture notes. This works for scanned PDFs, image-based lecture slides, even photos you took on your phone. If your document is image-based, you'll notice something right away. You can't select the text. That's because it needs OCR, and this is where everything changes. First, click on the OCR button. OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition. What this does is analyze the document and convert the image into readable, searchable text. Choose Searchable Text in Image, select the correct language, and click Apply. Within seconds, your document is now completely searchable. Now watch this. Type in a keyword from your lecture. It can be anything. Instantly, PDFelement jumps to every instance of that word in the document. No more scrolling, no more guessing, no more wasted time. This alone can cut your review time in half. Now let's take it even further. Searchability is step 1, organisation is step 2. Use the highlight tool to mark definitions, formulas, or exam critical concepts. Because the text is now recognised, highlights attach properly to the words. It's not just a random coloured block. You can add notes in the margins. For example, the professor emphasised this, likely an exam question. This turns your PDF into an interactive study guide. If your lecture covers multiple chapters or topics, you can add bookmarks as well. You can add chapters like midterm review, case studies, key formulas. Now you can jump instantly between sections instead of just scrolling endlessly. If your notes are split across multiple files, click Combine PDFs. You can merge lecture slides, your handwritten notes, study guides, practice exams, and now everything lives in one organised master file. Let's say your exam is tomorrow. Instead of rereading 120 pages, you can search by keyword, review only highlighted material, jump between bookmarked sections, extract specific pages to review separately. You can even pull out just the midterm topics into a smaller focused PDF. This turns passive reading into targeted studying. And that's the difference between reviewing everything and reviewing what actually matters. And there's one more powerful feature. If you took handwritten notes and scanned them in, OCR makes them searchable too. That means your messy notebook becomes searchable like a digital textbook. Imagine typing in a keyword and instantly finding the page you wrote it on 3 weeks ago. That is next level organisation. If your studying feels unorganised, overwhelming or inefficient, it's probably not your effort, it's your system. Turning your lecture notes into searchable structured PDFs gives you faster revision, better retention, and less stress before exams. If you found this one helpful, check out the other PDFelement tutorials for more ways to simplify your digital workflow. And if you haven't tried it yet, download PDFelement and transform the way you study. The link is in the description below. Stop scrolling, start searching. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.